Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Abre from Vini Vici, Sesto Cento, depends how old are you and depends from where you know me. I'm here in the studio of my good friend Leo, in the studio of Leo Casagrande. I'm gonna give you some pointers about how I prepare my shows and how I do some of my mixes. The way that I approach to my show, it depends the place that I play, depends the country, depends the style, because as Vini Vici, we kind of blended also in the commercial industry, like for example Tomorrowland main stages or Ultra main stage. So normally I'm taking obviously the bass out of the track that I'm gonna mix inside. I'm gonna take a little bit also of the highs and some mids, start to give some space to the second channel, and here I'm gonna do the beat mixing. That's it. Track number 2.